The truth is that every beginner YouTuber want to have thousands of views and thousands of subscribers as soon as possible, but it doesn't really happen that way. So quickly in this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you what to do to make YouTube to start recommending your videos to more people. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should not quit your YouTube channel. Those videos that are not giving you views are actually preparing the foundation for you to start having views. So, well, you see, success on YouTube, it doesn't happen so quickly. It may not happen as soon as you expect it to happen. Your content may be the best content on YouTube. Your videos might be the best educative, informative, or entertaining video on YouTube. The truth is that it may take YouTube algorithm time to figure out the right audience for your videos. It may take YouTube algorithm time to know if he is to recommend your videos to people that are using smartphone, or if he is to recommend your videos to people that are using television or laptop or iPad to watch your videos. So these are things that takes YouTube algorithm time to find out. So why should you quit? Or one of the things that makes you want to quit your YouTube channel is that you are ignorant of the foundation you are building right now. That 50 view you have is preparing you to have 50,000 views. That 1,000 views you have is preparing you to have 1 million views. All those little views you're having are foundation that will make you to have thousands of views. So why should you get emotional and quit when the foundation is just being built for you to skyrocket and start having thousands of views as expected? Success on YouTube can be compared to planting a tree. So when you plant a tree, you have to water the tree, you have to watch the tree grow little by little, step by step. So YouTube is just like that. All right, let me tell you how YouTube algorithm works so that you will see 100% reason not to quit your channel. When you create content on YouTube algorithm first show your content to few numbers of people to see their reaction. So if those few people actually watch your video for at least of 2 minutes, if they have liked your video or even comment on your video, YouTube algorithm will now notice that people actually love this content and will share it to large numbers of people. There's what we call video library. Video library means the numbers of videos you actually have in your channel. Now, when you have at least of 1,000 videos in your video library, that is in your channel, let me tell you what will happen. You have increased your channel visibility. A lot of us get so emotional, get so sad when we're just getting started because we are not having views. But if you check in your video library, you see that you don't even have up to 50 videos. You don't even have up to 100 videos. Do you get it? YouTube is the highest paying platform. So it takes time for that structure that will be giving you 100,000 views in a day, 2,000 views in just 5 minutes. It takes time for that structure to be built. So don't quit your channel. Everything you are doing right now at this beginning stage is actually foundation for you to keep on going higher. So what I'm trying to say is that videos with 50 views, videos with 30 views doesn't mean failure. It means preparation. It means foundation that you are building that will make your channel to start having thousands of views. So if you are having 20 views, 30 views, they should make you happy that at least you are being recognized as a rising creator. You see, one of the biggest misconceptions about YouTube algorithm is that YouTube algorithm punish new creators. A lot of people think that when you're just getting started with YouTube, that you will not have views, that YouTube is mainly for professional creators. It's not true. The problem is that when you just got started, you allowed numbers of views and numbers of subscribers to be your problem, whereas your problem should be how to get better creating a better content, how to increase your channel visibility by putting in more videos there. The thing you should be concerned with as you're just getting started is that if the small numbers of people that are watching your video are actually engaging. By engaging, I mean if they are actually liking the video, if they are watching your video for a longer period of time, if they are sharing your video, or if they are subscribing to your channel. But if you're not seeing those engagement, it doesn't mean failure. All you need to do is to keep building a structure, to keep building your audience. So the problem you should think about as a YouTube creator is that if YouTube are recommending your videos to the right people, because when your videos meet the right people, I bet you they are going to watch your videos and they are going to subscribe. They are going to share. They are going to like your video. They're going to watch you for a longer period of time. So your problem should be how to make YouTube to recommend your videos to the right people. So how can you do this? You can do this by actually not niching down. You can do this by focusing on a particular niche for at least of 6 or 3 months for you to algorithm to recognize your channel as a particular niche, maybe a niche that is into bodybuilding, a niche that is into music, into finance, into romance, or any niche that you actually choose at all. So right now, let's talk about one of the biggest things you should consider as a new YouTube creator, which is consistency. So when we are talking about consistency, consistency doesn't mean creating thousands of videos on a daily basis. No, that's not what consistency means when it comes to YouTube content creation. By consistency, I mean if you are creating videos and you are actually getting better in title, you are coming up with good titles that will make your video to be discoverable, that will make someone to click your video out of anxiety, or a title that will make someone to click on your video out of fear. Because we humans are so emotional. We can actually watch your video because there is something that will make us emotional about that we want to see out of fear or out of anxiety. I thought about how to create a video title based on emotions, fears, or anxiety. If you've not watched the video, the link will be on the comment section of this video. So by consistency, you want to start creating content and start getting better at creating them, not just showing up every day, but at getting better. When new creators put on 10 or 20 videos, they dump their channel and get emotional. You don't want to do that. Those small views you are having are actually helping you to build a structure, a good audience that will be watching your videos, that will make YouTube to start recommending your videos to more people. As you are creating videos every day, your audience libraries is also increasing, and YouTube algorithms start noticing people that actually loves your content. So whenever you create your YouTube channel, those little views you are having doesn't mean you are failed. They are all preparation for you to start having thousands of views. So how do you actually survive as a new YouTube content creator? The number one way to survive is that you shouldn't focus on those metrics. Don't focus on the numbers of views. Don't focus on the numbers of subscribers you are having. The number two way to survive as a new YouTube creator is that look for a community of creators. Look for gurus that are creating content on your niche. Watch them, study their videos, see how they are doing it, and see how you can copy them and come up with a better idea, so that people will have the reason to watch your content and not their own. That people will have the reason to start liking you, liking your own content as well. Number four ways to survive as a new YouTuber is that you should embrace the process. Embrace the process of creating content. Be happy showing up on camera. Be happy talking to people. Be happy that you are actually showing out there, giving people what to learn, making people happy, or helping people to discover what they don't know. The process is actually what will help you to get better. The process is what will actually make you to get discovered by YouTube algorithm, because if you keep up sharing every day, you're building a little audience, and those audience are growing without you knowing, in less than no time, you will see that your channel that used to have 50 views, 100 views are actually having 10,000 views to 100,000, even up to 500,000 views. When you create 20 videos on YouTube, the next 21 videos might be the video that will blow up your channel and give you thousands of subscribers and watch hours. But if you quit at video 19 and you are yet to create video 20, you'll be like, you didn't know that you were just a milestone to succeed on YouTube. See, so don't quit at all. All right, keep on creating those content, and your viewers that really loves you, your subscribers are just on your way. So thank you for watching.